Hi everyone, we're back again with L.C.M. So in our last video, we found the L.C.M. of numbers by listing the multiples of each number and then circling the lowest number they had in common. Now, we want to find the lowest common multiple, like once again, the L.C.M., but we're going to use the division method. Now, there are many persons who don't like division, and that's quite alright. So there are two methods, the method from the previous video and then the method I'm about to show you now. So you can choose whichever method you are comfortable with. So we're going to look at number one. We're using the two same examples from the last video. So number one, we want to find the LCM of 4 and 8. So first, write down the two numbers, 4, 8. Put your divisor, your division symbol, division sign. Now, in simplest term, what you're going to do is you're going to think about the smallest number that can go into 4 and 8. The smallest number that can be divided into 4 and 8. And our end result is that in place of this 4 and 8, we want to get a 1, 1. So the smallest number that can go into 4 and 8 is 2. 2 can go into 4 2 times, 2 can go into 8 4 times. Now we need that 1, 1. So let's go again one more time. Smallest number that can go into 2 and 4, 2 once again. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 4, 2. Now we have that 1 here now. Now we need to replace this second 2 here with a 1. So let's go again one more time. We're not doing anything with this first one. That just stays as is. So now to get a 1 here, we can say 2 into 2, 1. So put back that original 1. And then 2 into 2, 1. And we stop right there because we have that 1, 1. So now our LCM is very simple from there. We just take all the numbers from the left hand side here and we multiply them together. So we get 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. My LCM is 8. And you can double check with the video from before. So let's jump into the second question. Finding the LCM of 5 and 7. Same procedure. 5, 7. Put your division sign. Now, is there any common number that can go into 5 and 7? Well, no, there isn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to work with each number separately. So let's work with the 5 separately. What is the smallest number that could go into 5? 5. So 5 into 5 is 1, we're just going to put back the 7 here, right? We're going to work with them individually since they don't have any number in common. So now we have a 1 here already. Let's replace the 7 to get a 1 somehow. So the smallest number that could go into 7 would be 7. So put back my first 1, and I'm going to get 7 to 7, 1. And then my LCM, same as the first question, multiply the two numbers on the left hand side. So 5 times 7 and we will get 35. Again, just as we did with the other method. So you can choose any method that you are comfortable with. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.